to be able to get on our hands and knees and to quite literally get your fingers back in the earth to make some of those deeper connections is what it's all about. Well, g'day you mob. My name's Dean Stewart, Wemba Wemba-Wergaia First Nations fella. And this little project through here, this eco project, is called the Aunty Peters Flowering Grasslands. Reconciliation isn't just between black and white, but reconciliation is about us as a people reconciling ourselves back to the land. And that's what this little working bee day is all about today. We've got staff and students from Hawthorn campus and people from Burundara Council and beyond coming to get literally on their hands and knees to help nurture and strengthen this flowering grasslands ecosystem that used to be right through what is now Glenferrie Road for 50,000 years. And it's about us being true custodians instead of just talking about it, actually doing it. This is a land once as it was as well. This is a lost lands found just here. For me, caring for country is not an Aboriginal thing. It's a human condition, and all of us have the opportunity to care for country. And this through here is just a little example on this one day where community come together and help nurture and support the land and the local habitats and ecosystems.